Good morning. Welcome to Market Day Report. I'm Tony St. James. Welcome to a Monday as we start 2 weeks of normal trading. I say normal trading because we get 5 days this week, we get 5 next week, and then we hit the holidays. And once we hit that Christmas holiday week and then the New Year's Eve week, well, we'll lose a lot of trading volume over those couple of weeks. All right, so where do we start the morning? Let's start with the corn market, and in Chicago, up 2 pennies on the front month December at 432 3/4. It is lightly trading, however. The most active is March, and it's down 1 tick at 439 3/4. Soybeans have been down 22.8% year to date, but trying to move higher. Actually up 1.3% week over week. January beans, 9.95 3/4 up to March, trading above $10 now, up 1.25 pennies. Soy meal trade this morning has been higher, and soy oil has been lower. Over to the wheat market, new crop July, Chicago, 5.75 1/4. That's 4 pennies higher. Hard red, the July is also new crop at 5.73 3/4. That's 4.5 higher. And then spring wheat in Minneapolis, front month March at 6.01 3/4. We're trading 5 1/4 higher. In New York, cotton futures, SEAM had nearly 7,700 bales sold. The average price at 68.01. Cotlook A index at 81.60. Average world price 57.74 in the March. Trades at 70.5 cents, up 39 points. Let's go to Whitehall, Maryland. That's where we find Ben Hushon with the mill. Ben, a little bit of rain today?
Good morning, Tony. Yes, it's actually a glorious day, a little cloudy and dreary, but they're calling for about 3 days of rain passing through. And you saw some of that on the forecast right before the break. And it's a good time for farmers. They finished harvest in our area for listeners and viewers, probably clearly the fastest fall harvest we've had that any farmer that I talk to can remember. Some of them talking about 40 straight days without rain after the crop was ready to harvest. So they're done early, and they started by licking some wounds a little bit. Of course, as you just shared, prices are not what they were 12 months ago. And yields in general were off pretty significant in our area. Not terrible, but when you add the two together, highly impactful. So a lot of growers have started meetings with certainly their agronomists to go over what happened in their fields and why it might have happened other than the rain. And also extension meetings. Penn State and University of Maryland both having meetings where they can go get some update on diseases and maybe any new products. And then also the ever important meeting with the agronomists to go through their yield data and soil test. A lot of soil test. Again, dry fall, as you can imagine, great time to get soil testing done and get some lime spread. So plenty busy and just starting to think about the year end and the tax implications of their year.
Yeah, Ben, you hit it right on the head. And the other meeting we'll start having pretty soon, if we haven't already, with the lenders. Ben Hushon's with the mill in Whitehall, Maryland. All right, we'll take a break, come back in just a moment. We'll talk livestock futures. Market Day Report continues after this.